Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today I decided to bake some brownies and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of this video. More content to come. So now it's just preheating the oven to 350, getting the brownies ready. And now I have my Betty Crocker Supreme Triple Trunk baking mix. And then this is the mold that I actually bought from Home Goods. It has a few designs that are so cute. It has a heart, a rose, and some other flowers designs. And now I'm just pouring my mix into my bowl. You can see the triple trunks in there. So now I'm just mixing the batter. And this is actually a picture of the mold that I'm using for the brownies. And now I'm just spraying spray on there, baking spray, so the brownies won't stick to the pan. And now I'm inserting it in the oven. And now 17 minutes left because I put it on for 30 minutes. But I checked it on 17 minutes and you can see it's almost done. And now it's done. And enjoy! Bon appetit!